everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 16th to the 20th of February 2026 on Monday. Azania cannot resist using the platform she's given at the wedding to take the last dig at her husband's ex-lover. An unexpected guest is present at Mpho's wedding. Swazi's money is running out, pushing her to take desperate measures on Tuesday. A shocking discovery leaves everyone wanting answers and forces Isaac and Benny to infiltrate a police station. Melokuhle is certain about her future, even though there is no confirmation yet. Jack makes a threat that leaves Swazi promising her father she's got everything under control, but does she on Wednesday? Before Mpho and Melo can leave on a honeymoon, Mpho and Benny have to tie up a loose end. Donald is ready to fulfill his part of the bargain he struck with Jack. Tao has a rough day with his ex and drowns in his sorrows with Cosmo. Fikile is incensed when she threatens Swazi, and it backfires on Thursday. Kia struggles to adapt to life after Sochalon demanded. Cosmo is ready to get back to his own life. Swazi makes herself at home. Tao freezes out Ayanda, G-Wagon, and Donald begin recruiting on Friday. Kumo rains on the young people's dream when he makes a shocking announcement about their future. Lulama is stunned when their meeting with the pastor leaves them with an undesired outcome. G-Wagon takes it upon himself to train Donald, and Jack introduces Swazi to his dark underworld. Finally, Kia stands down with her latest request. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.